Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I'm getting an error, value cannot be null, parameter name source. So if you use without include and going to the middle table in entity framework, then must be to use lazy loading features. Actually, lazy loading features is come in 2.0. I mean to say that entity framework 6 point something, but in the 7 entity framework remove that features, but again the lazy loading features enable in middle table to going to in the middle table. If you directly you want to go in the middle table, then must to use lazy loading features. So if you want to implement lazy loading, must to use virtual navigation property set to virtual. So all the navigation property must to set the virtual. Okay, so in the model, all the three models, I have three models. Student course is the primary table and the student course is the middle table. So after that must to change the data context class. Here you can add our on configure method with the override keyword, override void on configure, on configuring with the db context option builder, option builder, use option builder dot use lazy loading proxies. Options builder dot actually is not there because you can because must to add lazy loading proxies NuGet packages in your project. So must to add ASP.NET Core.proxies, EntityFrameworkCore.proxies. Here is there Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.proxies, and that package provide that features of the lazy loading. So now here is option builder dot use lazy loading proxies, okay. So after that you have to add proxies detail and lazy loading. You can save this and run your projects. Now if you want to go directly in the middle table, then must to use lazy loading. Okay, so here is the implementation of lazy loading features. Actually I am getting an error because the conversion failed to enumerations to the string. Here is the collection generic list, and it's a type of the string I am getting. So remove this section, and here is getting enumerable student of students and pass to that view section. Okay, there is no need to generate a list. So save this and run your projects. So thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core and EntityFramework Core. Thank you very much for watching. Here is your output. Thank you very much. Subscribe it.